Hello everyone out there. Happy to see you online. Ahead in this video, we have this number 5184 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 5184. Then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 5184 by 2, which equals 2592. So 5184 divided by 2 equals 2592. Dividing 2592 by 2, which equals 1296. So 2592 divided by 2 equals 1296. Dividing 1296 by 2, which equals 648. So 1296 divided by 2 equals 648. Dividing 648 by 2, which equals 324. So 648 divided by 2 equals 324. Dividing 324 by 2, which equals 162. So 324 divided by 2 equals 162. Dividing 162 by 2, which equals 81. So 162 divided by 2 equals 81. Dividing 81 by 2, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 81 by 3, which equals 27. So 81 divided by 3 equals 27. Dividing 27 by 3, which equals 9. So 27 divided by 3 equals 9. Dividing 9 by 3, which equals 3. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Dividing 3 by 3, which equals 1. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 5184 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which can be written as 2 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 4. And these were the whole prime factors for this number. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.